traders, and this is the market recap for October the 8th. So what we are seeing here is a very massive, huge rally that came in after we tried to break from yesterday's low. Did not found much of a follow through, and then a very sharp reversal generated by a super aggressive buyer down there, returned price up into rotational range of the overnight, and then when the FOMC minutes came out, we exploded to the upside. Now this morning I started to buy at 1930 when I came in, and I saw that there was almost no follow through to the downside in the overnight, and therefore I assessed that everybody that was short late into the session from the previous day was most likely starting to get nervous. Then as it started to break down, I bought 24 and 21 as well, and then I decided to put my stop at 17. The reason of the buys down there is, number one, no big name stock was down by over $1 or $2, so I wasn't seeing at all exodus of money from the big names, which indicated that this was more of a BS than anything else. And plus, I warned you that this is a trend line support, that the last time it came and hit it, we bounced off of it, and this time again we touched it, we bounced off of it. So these three levels of buy were absolutely great, made us an average of 25 on the trade, and the target on this was 38, but it happened to be that it went up significantly higher. So now what you are witnessing is also the result that you never ever short a weak market going into earnings. It's a recipe for massacre, and this is exactly what it means. They just peeled the skin off of the body of the shorts, destroyed them. Destruction, that's what it's called. So now pullbacks are definitely on the buy side. First level of support buy will be 1950. Second level of support, no, first level of, well, yeah, 1950. I also have 1955, but 55 is too close. 1950. Second level support will come in at 1945, and last 1941. We should under no circumstance break below 1941 if we want to continue on the upside, even if we decide to consolidate or retrace a little bit. On the upside target, my first level of resistance comes only in at between 70 to 74, and if that doesn't stop it, we are going to 1980, and then after that I will reevaluate. But it was extremely predictable that today's selling was all bogus. You just had to know what to look for. Now for crude. What I told you the last time looks more and more that it's becoming reality. OPEC is disappearing. Markets are flooded with blood crude sold by the terrorists, the rogue generals, the corrupt government people, and the paper here doesn't reflect whatsoever the price that you will get to buy or sell a container full of oil. Therefore, there has been a very shrewd market adjustment towards that. And the second thing is that either Paribas or BNP of France is being sanctioned by the US government for having dealt with Iran when the sanctions were on. And now they are being banned from trading energy. Therefore, they have a very short window of opportunity they are forced to liquidate everything that they have exposed to energy market and then get the hell out and close their doors in that sector, because the US has pretty much banned them from the industry. So the combination of all these things is pressuring crude, but I'm starting to believe now we are starting to enter significant level of support, especially after what the Fed said today, that they were a little bit concerned with the strength of the dollar, that if the rally dollar ends, or I should say if the dollar's rally ends, and on the top of that we start to see the equities also rallying and picking up, gold picking up, this puppy at 87 and change also will pick up towards $90 again. So start to be careful down here about being short or holding short, because I think it's near support. And also if the rest of things turn around up, this will also follow. As for euro, maybe it is starting to heal from Ebola, maybe. So now, as we are seeing a little bit of a turnaround, it's going to encounter resistance at 1.2775. From that point, we should see one more come down to retest this 1.25 to make sure that it's not just a little bounce off of medication received against Ebola, that actually the curing is real. Then if that retest holds right around 1.26, next leg up should break really through the 128 level and take us up towards 1.3, at which point we will hit the main trend line down and we should start to go down south again. So right now it's looking fine, but this 27.75 is going to be an area that they will have to deal with. If they cannot break through that, expect a return back for 1.26 area. That's it for us. Again, it's Reza with profiletraders.com. If you wish to learn these things, join us. Membership is very affordable at how much I have priced it. You will get 5 courses, a live trading room when you can enter, learn, trade live, and make money. And everything is transparent. We are not a bunch of cheats or thieves. Have a great evening.